Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Approach the cart corral and choose a cart with smooth wheels and no loose parts. Inspect the basket for cleanliness and any sharp edges before pushing toward the store entrance. If your store uses a coin or token system, prepare a quarter or the provided token. Unlock the cart by inserting the coin and pulling gently until it clicks free. If no coin is needed, pull the cart from the chain and test wheel mobility. Keep the cart nearby and position it to your dominant hand side for control. Place heavy items low in the cart to maintain balance and stability. Use separated sections to organize fragile or perishable goods and keep cold items together. Use the child seat and safety belt properly if traveling with children to avoid shifting loads. Keep a reusable bag available and load it near the end of shopping for convenience. Steer with one hand and use the other for your shopping list and price checks. Move slowly through aisles and give space to other shoppers when passing. Unload heavy and cold items first at checkout to make bagging easier and safer. Place fragile and irregular items last to avoid crushing during transit home. Bag items securely, then pay at the register and keep your receipt for returns or coupons. Collect your groceries and load heavy bags into your trunk to keep the cart balanced. Return the cart to the corral promptly to avoid penalties or blocking parking. Wipe the handle with a sanitizer wipe if you want extra cleanliness before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.